So here at SERVPRO of Lee and Chatham counties, we are always doing our job the SERVPRO way. We always have resources on hand for any size loss, commercial, residential, it doesn't matter. We're always here and well equipped to get the job done. Here we have our desiccant system and our generator. When we got here, we had zero power. We still have no power to the building itself, so we had to bring in large generators and a desiccant dehumidifier machine. And that is what you see in here. Doors boarded up for security purposes. Desiccant machine all ducted into the building. So now I'm going to go ahead and take you inside the building. Right now we have air movers and ducting for the desiccant dehumidifier running through the entire structure. So it's a little loud, so you won't be able to hear me past this point. My guys here are cleaning, getting floor management set up, and making sure that everything is in tip-top shape. We remove carpet, vinyl coat, some drywall removal. A lot of content manipulation was performed here. As you can see, we strategically place our air movement to create a vortex for effective drying purposes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take you downstairs now to show you that we have ducting running from the upstairs all the way downstairs, down the stairwell corridor. And this is all desiccant dehumidification being ran through the building for quick, efficient drying. As you can see, we have it attached to the drop ceiling. All the carpet down here was removed, which was affected. Vinyl coat that was affected on the drywall that was wet has been removed. We have air movement placed strategically to dry these areas out properly. As you can see, there was quite a bit of area that was affected. Lots of offices. Here's where our desiccant is feeding in. We have spider boxes here for power distribution, so we can utilize as much power off of the generator as possible. Lots of drop ceiling removed, pretty much throughout the bottom floor.